Want to grow a business online, start freelancing, or earn money by using just your laptop? That's the power of digital marketing, and it's helping millions of people do exactly that. But here's the problem. The digital world is overwhelming. There's SEO, social media, paid ads, email marketing, and most beginners don't know where to start, what to learn first, or how it all fits together. It feels like you need a marketing degree just to get started. Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll break down exactly what digital marketing is, why it's important in 2025, and how you can start using it to grow your brand, your business, or even build a career online, even if you're a total beginner. What is digital marketing? So what exactly is digital marketing? In simple words, digital marketing is promoting your products or services using the internet or any digital device. Unlike traditional marketing like newspapers or billboards, digital marketing happens online. It's the modern way of reaching people through platforms they already use, like Google, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, email, and websites. Why is digital marketing important in 2025? Now let's talk about why digital marketing is so powerful in 2025. Because today, almost 5.5 billion people are using the internet. People spend more time on their phones than watching TV. That means if you're not marketing online, you're missing out on huge opportunities. It's affordable, measurable, global, and super targeted. You can reach people in your local city or someone halfway across the world. And the best part? Even small businesses can compete with big brands. If you want to start a business, grow as a freelancer, or build an online presence, you must know how to market yourself digitally. Types of digital marketing. Let's break it down into 7 core areas you'll hear about again and again. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. This is how websites get ranked on Google. If you write a blog, build a website, or sell something online, SEO helps people find you organically without paid ads. 2. Content marketing. Writing blogs, making videos, creating helpful guides, any valuable content you create to attract and educate your audience is known as content marketing. 3. Social media marketing. Using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn to build your audience, share content, and promote your offers. 4. Email marketing. Building a list of people who trust you and sending them helpful or promotional emails. It's one of the highest ROI strategies in digital marketing. ROI means return on investment. Let's say if you spend $100 on ads and make $300 back, your ROI is 200%. 5. Paid ads, PPC, running paid ads on Google, Facebook, YouTube, etc. to target specific people and drive fast results. This is also called PPC, means pay per click. When someone clicks your ad platform will charge you for that. This is perfect for those businesses who want to grow quickly. 7. Influencer marketing. Brands pay influencers to promote their product to followers. This marketing is especially powerful on Instagram and YouTube. So, what does this mean for you? Whether you want to be a freelancer, start a blog, sell a product, or grow a YouTube channel, digital marketing is the engine behind success in all of these areas. How to start learning digital marketing. Alright, so how can you start learning digital marketing today? Step 1. Learn the basics from social media, like this video, free courses and blogs. Step 2. Choose one area to focus on, like SEO, social media, or email. Step 3. Practice with real tools, like Canva for graphic design, Google Analytics is to check analytics, or MailChimp for email marketing. Step 4. Build your personal brand or start helping small businesses. Step 5. Keep learning and stay updated. Digital marketing changes fast. Digital marketing as a career or business tool. Want to build a career or grow your business? Digital marketing has you covered. As a career, you can become a freelancer, work at an agency, or start your own business. As a business owner, you can use digital marketing to find customers and grow your sales without spending a fortune. By 2025, Digital marketing isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. So now you know what digital marketing is, why it's important in 2025, and how you can start your journey, even as a complete beginner. But remember, learning is just step one. The real results come when you start applying. So here's what to do next. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next video. Drop a comment below if you still feel confused or want me to explain any topic in detail. And don't forget to check out my blog for free guides, tools, and tips to boost your digital skills. Link in the description. This is just the beginning. Start now, keep learning, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people by the end of this year. See you in the next video.